Dollar Tree dolls. Once again, it's Nona and Jay with another Dollar Tree recipe. Today we're going to make these cheese biscuits. They're by the Marie Callender's brand. And we bought those at Dollar Tree. This milk, which is by the Gosner Foods. It's the 2% reduced fat milk from Dollar Tree. And the Imperial butter sticks. And this recipe called for a half a cup of butter, which is a whole stick. So it says to melt it. We've already melted that. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it into the bowl. Then the recipe calls for third cup of milk. So I'm going to do 2/3 since I'm making 2 packages. Okay, that's 2/3. It says on the back to mix these two together before you add the biscuit mix. Pretty good. Whoa. I'm going to go ahead and add a package. And the second package. Okay, and then you just want to stir this together until the dough is a moist ball. And then you want to drop, this says 5 even mounds onto the biscuit sheet. Since I'm using 2, it'll be 10. And we've already got our oven heated to 400 degrees, and these should take 9 to 12 minutes to bake, or until golden brown. And like most biscuit dough, it might look a little lumpy, but that's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to drop them to the sheet, which I'm going to move over here so you guys can see better. Okay, we got 8 on this pan, and we'll do the rest of them in the next batch. So we will be back when these are nice and brown to show you the result. I'm just going to add a little more to these first ones I dropped, because I don't think I put enough dough on them. Okay, these are going in the oven. See you in a bit. Hey y'all, we're back with the finished product. These are the cheddar biscuits. They are so good. We already sampled one. We're going to be having these tonight with our leftover poor man's cioppino from last night's Dollar Tree recipe. And I can't wait. It looks so good. If you guys like these kinds of videos, give me a comment or a like. Subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share my videos. And remember, I have a 100 subscriber giveaway going on. I will link the video beneath this one. Just go over, watch it, follow the directions to enter, and best of luck to everyone. I'm at 61 subscribers right now, so 39 to go. See y'all later.